to the open sea. A new organization called the Bhoi Commercial Pickup Owners Drivers Association, or the RBCPODA, was officially informed on Saturday during a meeting held at PNS Auto Shop in Nongpor. The association aims to safeguard the welfare of commercial pickup vehicle drivers and owners operating in the district. During the meeting, the members elected their office bearers, with Stanwell Mani assuming the role of president and Raplang Lingdok Nonglait as the vice president. Other key positions include Bitdor Pator as general secretary, Taybor Papeng as assistant general secretary, and Sani Karnayor as finance secretary. The formation of the RBCPODA is seen as a significant step toward addressing the concerns of commercial pickup drivers and owners in Bhoi.
Mikwa balalong kapala bat hingai scam bakan long kapajop ba yakane ka asron ka jangi in bo yaka in pelong no yaka ban register yakane ka asron ka jangi haki bo jong ka an te hingai scam bakane ka chingsumo ka jangi ru kan long kapajop bangila ban register yakane ka asron ka jangi te adin bangila ban register yakane ka asron ka jangi insa tray kamha nagikam yakikam ki bangin sadai ban tray but ikermen scam ba lengba jang ka association kan long ka jingjob kum kadak ban ya kentiu lang ha ka kamai ka ji but ha ki wei ki benta jong ka jingim jang
NASA astronauts Anne McLean